Setting up a QuickBooks Workforce account allows your employees to access their pay stubs, W-2s, and other important payroll information. Here's how to set it up in just a few steps. Log into QuickBooks. Start by logging into your QuickBooks online account. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to set up employee access. Navigate to Payroll Settings. From the dashboard, go to the Payroll menu. Select Employees and then choose Employee List to view all your employees. Invite employees. Click on the employee's name from whom you want to set up the Workforce account. Under the Pay tab, look for the Invite for QuickBooks Workforce option. Click it to send an invitation via email. Employee Acceptance. Instruct your employee to check their email for the invitation. They should click the link to accept and set up their account. Create a password. Employees will be prompted to create a password for their QuickBooks Workforce account. They should choose a strong password for security. Accessing the account. Once the setup is complete, employees can log into QuickBooks Workforce at any time to view their payroll information securely.